S is a point inside a triangle PQR, and it is given in the question that vector SP plus 5 times vector SQ plus 6 times vector SR is equal to 0. SP, if we shift this and this on the right hand side, then we get this result. We suppose this is result number 1. This is section formula. If DB, the midpoint of BC, then vector AD is equal to this. Since E is midpoint of side PR, it is given in the question. Therefore, vector SE will be equal to vector SP plus vector SR by 2. And F is the midpoint of side QR. Therefore, vector SF will be equal to vector SQ plus vector SR by 2. This is formula. Vector BC is equal to vector AC minus vector AB. Using this formula, we can write vector FE is equal to vector SE minus vector SF. In place of SE, we write this. In place of SF, we write this. Vector SR and vector SR will be cancelled out, and we get vector FE is equal to this. Since vector FE is equal to vector SP minus vector SQ by 2, in place of this vector SP, we write this value from 1 here. Then we get vector FE is equal to this. But if we use this section formula in this, then vector SQ plus vector SR by 2, SQ plus SR by 2 will be equal to vector SF. Therefore, vector FE is equal to this. We suppose this is result number 2. By using this section formula, vector SE is equal to vector SP plus vector SR by 2. Now, in place of this vector SP, we write this value from 1 here. Then, after simplification, we get vector SE is equal to this. Now, by using this section formula, vector SQ plus vector SR by 2, SQ plus vector SR by 2 will be equal to vector SF. In place of this bracket, we write vector SF, and suppose this is result number 3. In this result 2, in place of this SF, vector SF, we can write vector SE by minus 5. Then we get vector FE is equal to minus will be cancelled out, 6 by 5 times vector SE. Taking mod both sides, we get this. Shifting this SE on the left hand side, we get this. That means FE by SE is equal to 1.2. But this result, vector FE is equal to 6 by 5 times vector SE, indicates that vector FE and vector SE are parallel. Vector FE and vector SE are parallel. That means this figure, real figure is not like this. Point S does not lie outside the line segment FE, but point S lies on this line segment FE. S is here, and figure is like this. Now solution is complete.